Hello guys, I hope you all are doing great. So I'm here to present our new booking module within RepairBuddy, and this have so many features. You can just check it out. Like if you don't want to display types, you can just hide it by hide it here, and whatever other information you don't need. So once customer selects a type, yeah, you can change all the fields or devices to drone or computer or whatever you want to say it. By going here, you can change it to camera, whatever you repair. All right, and once customer select a type, here you can add the types, and after adding some types, add some brands, then add some devices to those brands and types, like you can see phone and Samsung, so they can be used. Now customer has selected the device type phone, and now all related brands are loaded. If customer do not see their brand here, they can select the other, so they get option to enter the device brand name and device name manually. If they select Samsung, all devices for Samsung will be loaded like this one, and they can also select more devices. They can add more devices from just going to through search bar. And if a device is not available, that brand is available, let's say that iPhone is available, sorry, Apple is available, but device is not available here, what they can do, they just can select other device, and here they can iPhone 4x, whatever information you need, you can add as many fields as you need. Now let's select service for device 1, then let's select service for device 2, then let's select service for device 4, sorry, device 3. They have selected 3 devices. Now there are appointment options. You have 4 appointment options, but you can disable whichever you don't want to use. How you can just go here, appointment options, and disable them whichever you don't want to use. And here you can select your working hours. Let's say customer want to ship device to you, or customer want you to pick their device. From here you can see that now customer can select the date and the time, and this will set up an appointment with customer. After that, customer goes here and enter their details, attach file, enter captcha for security. You can disable captcha if you don't want to use it. Once customer is logged in for first time, they will receive their login details, so they can log in into system, and they will receive the booking confirmation that their booking have been received. And administrator will also receive the booking confirmation, and you can modify the email templates for both customer and for both for administrator as well. Admin receives the job booking, and what admin will do, admin will go to estimates, and admin will see that you can add more options for customer details you need. And if you don't need city, just disable it and make it disabled. And if you need more fields, like you need date of birth, you want to ask them are you okay, whatever, add new fields here for your customer to get it from your customer. Admin receives booking like this. Admin opens it and review what is the detail of their job. Then, sorry, not admin only, store manager, technician who is assigned this job to also can view this estimate also. And you will review the job, 2 devices there, and you will add parts you think will be used in this job. You will add an extra item which is not your part or your service, and then you will make total 424 estimate and send it to customer for approval. Customer will receive estimate like this with option to reject or approve the estimate. You can change this body from estimates here, estimate email to customer. You can change it to whatever you want to say here, and once customer clicks approve estimate, site admin will be notified and the job will be started for customer. All right, once the booking is complete and the job is started for customer, this is how our booking will work. Also one more thing, appointment will be set up like customer selected, let us pick your device, customer want you to pick their device on February 18, and this time you can go to your dashboard within your web. You can see this in your calendar, and you can also see this in your appointments. You just go to your account section. Here you can see that the upcoming appointments, February 18, I think this one, or maybe this one, or whatever. Then you can also see it in your calendar. It is on February 18, this one. And from appointments, you can see it here, this one. You can print it and give it to your technician who is going to attend it. All right, and you can add more appointments here. So this is how your customers can book their devices, and you can modify most of everything of this form. If you have any question, just let me know. Thank you.